Welcome to another Math Ninja Pro video.
In this video, we will learn the meaning of inverse proportion.
By definition, two variable quantities, x and y, are in inverse proportion if xy equals to k, where k is a constant and k is not equal to 0. Let us use an example of inverse proportion to make sense of this definition. Suppose a car travels at constant speed from town P to town Q, which are 400 km apart. We can use a table to represent the relationship between the two variable quantities, the speed, x km per hour, and the time taken, y hours. If the constant speed is 20 km per hour, the time taken will be 20 hours. If the constant speed is doubled to 40 km per hour, the time will be halved to 10 hours, and so on. By computing the product xy for every column in the table, we can see that the constant of proportionality is 400. Since the value of xy is always 400 in this example, we can also use the equation xy equals to 400 to represent the relationship between the two quantities x km per hour and y hours. By dividing both sides of the equation by y, we can also use the equivalent equation y equals to 400 over x to represent the relationship between the two quantities x and y. So, if two quantities are in inverse proportion, when one quantity increases, the other quantity decreases proportionally. We can represent this inverse proportional relationship using a table or using an equation. Hence, if we are told that y is inversely proportional to x, we can write this as a mathematical statement xy equals to k or y equals to k over x, where k is a constant and k is not equal to 0. The variables y and x can be replaced by any other variables, such as p and q minus 2. For this example, where p is inversely proportional to q minus 2, we can rewrite this into a mathematical statement p times of q minus 2 equals to k, or p equals to k over q minus 2, where k is a constant and k is not equal to 0. Remember to like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more ninja level math videos.